Can you?
Alright, where's a good buy station? You want me to?
Right there. That, oh wait, that area is not whatever. Alright.
Showing up.
Or just drop like drop some money.
Oh, missile locking.
Oh,
Yeah.
It didn't work.
You guys. I see it coming towards you guys.
oh, I'm not gonna get into one.
It literally didn't work.
Or drop a grand.
When do you have to do it?
I don't even know.
Did they blow up your helicopter?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Get it.
We need to get. Oh, but they're right here. We should go to a different one. I don't know where they are, but one.
For shizzle large.
Hopefully it ends soon. It's getting cold. Oh yeah, this is a nice building. Why did they have to take mine out? And why did the... Dude, I don't understand these flares. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. I did it when it said incoming and it didn't do anything.
Space to land.
Here, just drop it. Oh, buddy. Okay, I got 7 Joker shots. That is not... Oh, I guess you can go through that. I didn't know you could go
aimed
through
at this door. I'm gonna drop RPGs right at this door. Resupply teammate. Got some.
Just
This guy's just
chill
driving
out.
around in this truck.
Need another building?
Oh, who's shooting? Arjun. Great. Oh, I should have known. Why did I even ask that question? Whatever.
Oh my god. I did not do that. It just started doing that right when I got in. Why would you land it here? Okay, hang on. Can you get up to this part?
Just landed Arch.
You can get up there.
Can you get up here?
Get up here.
Are we leaving right now?
No, I just want to make sure.
Well, yeah, there's 10 seconds.
Wait, oh yeah, I can get it.
Okay.
Boys, we gotta do it. We gotta do
Here,
it.
like right next to it. Someone just got respawned straight northeast right in front of us.
No, I'm out. Oh, we get shot at on train.
Screw that, they're lighting him up. I'm not going there.
Why?
No transition. Because I'm getting
You got a guy with like an LMG right there. This might be a weapon.
I'm at 85% health. Great. What are you doing?
Arch?
Oh.
I see you getting shot at. Arch, you're
Just dip.
Jesus.
How much health is that, Arch?
We gotta go somewhere.
We're at
that's,
like 60 something
abandoned.
maybe.
What about that building right there?
This guy is not going to work.
That's my team not working. That one?
It's too far.
We could park it behind the building.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh, we might. Oh, circle closing. You guys better get in the helicopter.
Yeah.
Boys, you boys better get in the helicopter now. How about this?
Oh, helicopter below us.
Oh,
Here, switch
please.
seats. I got a joke room. Switch seats. Switch, Vinny, switch.
I did.
Are you're not in pilots? Keep switching.
Oh, I'm not in pilot?
Jesus Christ.
Or don't. Oh, this is gonna bonus over. I can already tell. This will blow.
Oh.
Alright, so they're gone. Their helicopter's gone.
Oh, load out. Oh, that's a bad place to load out.
Oh, it's on the roof.
Oh.
Do we go for it?
I already have one. We all both have one already. You just didn't get one earlier.
I would risk it. I would risk it.
We just took it. They're probably gonna be pissed too because we just took out their helicopter.
Get in the driver's seat as a.
Someone see the point.
Oh my god, Vinny.
Vinny, I really think you should.
Never mind.
Vinny, I think
Never
loadout or
mind.
not.
What?
I think loadout or not with bones, so.
Never mind, slow.
You're coming right for me. Okay, I'm gonna turn the hell around. Oh, I see you guys are coming right for me.
Alright, you wanna switch again?
Alright, I'm not a pilot.
Oh, Archie, quick. Have it out, boys, have it out.
Oh, we have like the seat exactly system.
Let's orbit the circle.
I'm like,
All right, here's what I'm gonna do, Vinny. I'm gonna swap to
No.
to passenger. You go to pilot. Okay, on 3. Remember to keep swapping if you're not on pilot. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, boys.
Okay.
Vinny,
Now I
do
can
not
hit him
come
with the Joker if I see him.
Do not come up, because I'm right above you.
Alright.
Yeah, stay at this
Keep your
altitude.
Keep your altitude low, because I'm right above you.
I'm gonna try to fire at him if I see him. I don't see him.
There's the guy.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Did you fire it?
I'm firing one. I down one.
Okay.
Oh my god, hard. No way, boy. Woo.
All right, rotate it a little to the clockwise a little bit.
Okay, I'm just gonna stay still now.
Just stay at your altitude, Free, and we'll stay up right here.
But if I bail my helicopter, I'm just gonna like.
Come on, 3 squads.
No, 2 squads.
Oh, two other squads.
Oh, are they shooting
Oh,
at you guys?
One's shooting at me, one's shooting at me, but I'm like trying to
Probably
like.
move a little bit. Oh,
Oh, move forward.
Just watch out for me.
oh my god, what do we do? Get out.
Oh, one squad left. One squad of 2.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, boy.
One squad of 2.
Oh my god, you should have seen what I just did to these guys. Okay, let me save
what
it
happened?
this
What
time.
happened?
Oh wait, actually, let me watch this outro real quick.
I had full health.
Oh, did you Joker them?
No, I hit him with 2 C4s. I couldn't hit him with the Joker because it would take too long to lock. It's hard in the final circle because you can't look straight down in the helicopter. Oh my god.
Wait, it's doing the same thing. It says to share video clips that are longer than 15 minutes on YouTube, you must have to verify.
What the hell? Why? It's not longer than 50 minutes, so when you flip it, it's only gonna be 50
I know.
minutes.
I'm just.